Hi everyone, this is Hetty again. Today we're making for you Bombolino. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's an Italian donut. You could put whatever you want in it, jelly, custard. My grandkids like Nutella. So what I have in here is 4 cups of flour and a quarter cup of sugar. And I sifted them together so it gets well blended. What I'm gonna add is a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then this is warm milk at about 110 degrees. I added a packet of quick yeast and a teaspoon of sugar. The sugar helps the yeast to activate. I'm adding it to this here. And I'm going to start mixing it. Then I'm going to add softened butter, a quarter of a stick. Excuse me.
Softened?
Half a stick, softened. A half a stick of unsalted butter and 2 eggs, one at a time. Okay, I'm going to mix this up for a few minutes until it's well blended. Take a peek. Put it a little faster. Here it is. I'm going to make it, instead of kneading it by hand, I'm going to knead it in the machine for about 3-4 minutes. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so I kneaded it in the bowl for about 3-4 minutes. This is a container that I sprayed with Easy...
Pam.
Pam, yes, original. And I'm going to knead this just for a couple of minutes. This is something that I learned to make not too long ago. I saw them in Italy when we were in Italy last year, and I decided, well, I'm going to find out how to make these. And so I did. So what I'm going to do right now is put this in the bowl, spray it again with some Pam, and cover it, and I put it sometimes in the oven, sometimes in the microwave, but you have to make sure it's a draft-free place where it can rise. So in about 1.5 hours, it should be ready to roll out. See you when it's ready. So it's been in here for about 1.5 hours, 2 hours. Look how nicely it's grown. Look at that. Woo! See that? Beautiful. I'm going to take some flour, put it here. Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Wonderful. Okay, so we're going to roll it out to about 1 inch thick. That's enough. Here. Okay, so we're going to get them as close as we can. And whatever's left over, I'll re-roll. I'll be back when I'm done with this, pulling all this here. Okay, so I rolled them all out and I have them on the tray, and I'm going to cover them because they have to grow a little bit. And I'm going to put them in a warm spot. I'll have to put them in the oven because this tray doesn't fit in the microwave. And I'll be back when they're ready to deep fry. Okay, so I think they're ready. Let's take a peek. Look at those suckers. The temperature of the oil is about 310, 320. And I have it on low so to keep it at a steady pace. All right, so it's hot enough. Look at this sucker. I think I can only fit like 3. I'll do 3. I don't want to crowd them. Ah, they're beautiful. Look at those suckers. They should be a golden brown. I'll flip them over and try to get one done. Okay, so here they go. I don't want to cook them too quickly because then they get brown and the insides will not be cooked thoroughly. So what I'm going to do after they fry up to a golden brown, I'm going to put them here so the grease comes off. And then when they cool off, I'll put them on the tray. When they cool off, I'm going to fill them with jelly or Nutella. So why don't I just come back when they're browned? So I fried all of them. These are a little too big. I like them more like this. And what I'm going to do is make a little incision right here. I'm going to show you how I fill them. Now this is jelly, raspberry jelly, and this is Nutella. I only have a little Nutella left, which my grandchildren like. So what I'll do is, I'll do these 2 first and show you, and then I'll finish them up. So I put the Nutella in this bag, and there's the hole.
Fill it up.
Yes. And I'm going to dip it.
Don't be cheap.
In sugar. Oh, that's a Nutella. They don't like when I'm stingy. That's a Nutella one. And this one, I have my hole here, is a raspberry jelly. Whoa. And my son says, don't be stingy with the jelly. Okay, so there we go. That's a lot of jelly there. It's enough jelly. Here. Now you can put cinnamon in the sugar if you want, which I like. Hope you make them for the holidays. They're delicious, believe me when I tell you. Until next time, you won't see me till after the holidays. I'll be cooking and baking for my family. See you to the next video.